This is an HP Compact 8200 Ultra Slim. The base model had a 250GB hard drive. I had an extra terabyte hard drive laying around, so I threw that in there. Unlike the stock model, I upgraded this one, so instead of 4GB of RAM, it has 6GB of RAM. The brains of the machine is an i5 2500S. I had a monitor for this, but it broke, so I had to go pick up a cheap monitor from a thrift store. I got it for like 14 bucks. The only problem with it was that they put a sticker on the screen. I also decided to put Ubuntu on it. It's nothing to write back home about, but it does do its job already.